Hey everyone, so today I'm showing you how to delete all contacts on your Android phone. Whether you're doing a phone reset or just organizing your contacts, this is super quick and easy. Let's get started. All right, first thing, open the Contacts app on your Android phone. You'll see all your saved contacts here. Make sure you're on the Contacts tab. Now, tap and hold on any contact in the list. This will select that contact and you'll see a check mark appear next to it. You'll also notice that a menu icon with three dots appears at the top of the screen. Okay, tap on that three-dot menu icon at the top right. You'll see an option pop up. Look for Select All and tap on it. This will instantly select every single contact in your list with check marks. Here's the thing. Once all contacts are selected, look for the delete icon. It usually looks like a trash bin at the top. Tap on it, and Android will ask you to confirm. Just tap delete again to confirm. Now, keep in mind that all deleted contacts go to the trash folder first. And that's it. All your contacts are now completely removed from your Android phone. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments below.